Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Graco Extend2Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat, a highly popular option for parents who want comfort, safety, and long-term value in one package. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this at the best discounted price available today. It's definitely worth checking out before the deal expires. Design and build quality. The Graco Extend2Fit feels sturdy and well-built right from the start. It's designed to grow with your child, offering both rear-facing and forward-facing configurations. The materials are soft, durable, and easy to clean, while the structure itself feels solid enough to handle years of use. The seat also comes with 2 integrated cup holders and a machine-washable cover for convenience. Comfort and adjustability. One of the standout features is the adjustable extension panel, which adds up to 5 inches of extra legroom in rear-facing mode. This is perfect for toddlers who have outgrown traditional seats but aren't ready to face forward yet. The multiple recline positions ensure your baby or toddler stays comfortable on long drives, whether they're napping or sitting upright. The no-rethread harness and adjustable headrest make it easy to adapt the seat as your child grows. You don't have to constantly reconfigure or remove parts. Adjustments can be made smoothly with one hand. Safety and performance. Graco has always been a trusted name when it comes to child safety, and the Extend2Fit lives up to that reputation. It features a steel-reinforced frame for strength, energy-absorbing foam, and has been crash-tested to meet or exceed U.S. safety standards. The high rear-facing weight limit, up to 50 pounds. Means your child can remain rear-facing longer, which is considered the safest position for as long as possible. Ease of installation. Installation is straightforward, especially with Graco's easy-to-follow instructions. The seat includes clear level indicators and latch connectors that make it easier to secure properly. However, depending on your vehicle, it may take a few tries to get the perfect recline angle or fit. Once set, the seat stays firmly in place. Everyday usability. Parents will appreciate how practical this seat is. It's comfortable for the child and user-friendly for adults. The cup holders are deep enough to hold bottles or snacks, and the seat cover is easily removable for washing. While it's a bit on the heavier side, that added weight also contributes to its durability and solid structure. Pros. Supports both rear and forward-facing positions. Rear-facing limit up to 50 pounds. Adjustable extension panel adds extra legroom. Steel-reinforced frame with strong safety features. Multiple recline and headrest positions. Easy harness adjustment without rethreading. Machine-washable cover and built-in cup holders. Cons. Slightly bulky, not ideal for frequent transfers between cars. Installation may take some patience in smaller vehicles. Doesn't convert into a booster seat. Final verdict. If you're looking for a safe, comfortable, and long-lasting convertible car seat, the Graco Extend2Fit is a fantastic choice. It offers exceptional value by combining safety, comfort, and versatility in one model. The extra legroom for rear-facing mode and easy adjustment system make it stand out from many competitors in its price range. If you're serious about getting the best seat for growing toddlers, this is one you can trust for the long haul. Right finger check the link below to grab the Graco Extend2Fit Convertible Car Seat at the best discounted price today before the deal runs out.